Hi, how are you everyone? So today we will learn line symmetry, topic number 16, lesson 4. The objective of our lesson today, I can recognize and draw lines of symmetry and identify line symmetric figures. Question number 1. How many ways can you fold the square so one half fits exactly on top of the other half? How many ways can you fold the letter so one half fits exactly on top of the other half? So here I wrote for you a square. So I said, why don't we try it with each other? So girls, I can fold it top on bottom. So this is number 1. And I also can fold bottom on the top. So this is way number 2. I can bring the bottom corner, and fold it on the top corner, on the left top corner. And I also can take, so this is line number 3. And also I can take the bottom left corner and fold it on the right top corner. So this is number 4. Let's count them with each other's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 ways that I can fold the square into. Okay, now let's look at letter G. I can't fold it in any way, so no way. 4 ways for the square and no ways for the G. What figures can you form when you fold a square in half? So this was the first figure, rectangle, and when I take the corners, I can get a triangle. So the answer is rectangle or triangle. A figure is line symmetric if it can be folded on a line to form 2 matching parts that fit exactly on top of each other. Look at this truck. It is a line symmetric figure because I can fold it into one way that if I put the first half on the other half, I'm gonna have 2 matching parts. Sorry, but letter G is not a line symmetric figure, right? Because I can't fold it. Now, the lines that I can fold, that I use them to fold, they are called line of symmetry. Now, some shapes may have only 1 line of symmetry. Some shapes may have 2 lines of symmetry. Some shapes, other shapes may have more than 2, like this one. In Convince Me, the question said, find 2 capital letters that have exactly 1 line of symmetry, and find another 2 capital letters that have exactly 2 lines of symmetry. So exactly 1 line of symmetry, I have A, C, D, E, K, M, T, U, V, W, and Y. So I can fold them only in one way. These letters can be folded only in one way. Exactly 2 lines of symmetry, H, X, and I. H, I, and X, sorry. So these capital letters can be folded into 2 lines of symmetry or into 2 ways. I have a smarty question for you. Write the answer of this smarty question at the top of the page, on the second page, and show it to me later. Which letter can have infinity number of line of symmetry? Which letter can have an infinity number of line of symmetry? How many lines of symmetry does the letter R have? None. I can't fold it in any way, or I can't cut it in any way. How many lines of symmetry does the figure below have? Only 1. Do you know why? I can take it into the middle, break it into the middle, so only 1. Question number 3. How many lines of symmetry can you find for a circle? Do you think you can count them? A circle can have infinity number of line of symmetry. So a circle has more lines of symmetry than I can count. A lot of numbers. A lot of numbers I can have for the circle. So this can help us, this equation can help us in the SMART question. Do you know how? For 4 till 5, tell if each line is a line of symmetry. Is this line a line of symmetry? Of course no. If I fold them to each other, they're not going to be exact the same. This line, is it a line of symmetry? If I fold them to each other's, I'm going to have exact the same halves. So yes. For 6 and 7, tell how many lines of symmetry each figure has. This figure, if I break it into the half here, into the middle, sorry, here, I'm not gonna have an exact halves. So, but if I cut it in the middle here, I'm gonna have an exact 2 halves. So I have only 1 line. In this figure, for this figure, I don't have any line of symmetry, because if I break it this way or in that way or in any other way, there I'm not gonna get 2 exact halves. Which figure has 6 lines of symmetry? Draw lines as needed. Now, draw lines with me. Line from the top to the bottom. A line from here, yes, from the left to the right. From right to left, so these are 3 only, so no. From the top to the bottom, 1. And from left to right, 2. Yes, from here, 3, and from here 4. So no, we need 6. Let's try the star. From the top to the bottom, this is 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, this is number 4, and where is 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, yes, here 5 and 6. So the answer is C. Which figure is not line symmetric? Now, A, I can cut it from here, then I can fold it, so it is line of symmetric. B, I can fold it from here. It is line symmetric. C, I can also cut it from here, so it is line symmetric. D, there's no way to cut it or to fold it, so the answer is D. Now, don't forget to solve the independent practice and your homework and then send it to me. I'm waiting your answers. Goodbye.